Home remedies for urinary tract infection or UTI, urine infection. UTIs, urinary tract infections, are most commonly caused by bladder infections. When bacteria travel into the bladder from the urethra, bladder infections occur. Urination takes place through the tube called the urethra. The urethra can become infected with bacteria once they enter the bladder. Symptoms like sudden urges to urinate can result from the resulting infection. Additionally, it may cause abdominal cramps and pain while urinating. 1. Drink more water. Water is beneficial because it cleanses your bladder of bacteria. Infections are eliminated faster this way. It may also reduce the pain of urinating because it dilutes your urine. The urine you produce is a waste product of your body. Having a bladder infection can make passing concentrated, dark urine painful and irritating. As urine becomes diluted, it becomes lighter in color and does not irritate as much. 2. Frequent urination. Frequently urinating helps to eliminate an infection by flushing bacteria from the bladder. Additionally, urinating after sex can be helpful. Women and men may both push bacteria deeper into their urethra during sexual activity. Your urinary tract may be flushed of bacteria by urinating after sex. By doing so, bacteria cannot settle and become infected. 3. Drink cranberry juice. UTIs can often be treated naturally with cranberry juice. Traditional uses include clearing general infections and accelerating wound healing. There have been mixed results regarding cranberry juice's effectiveness in treating UTIs. A review claims that cranberry juice contains compounds that may inhibit the growth of E. coli cells are prevented from adhering to urinary tract cells. Among the antioxidants in cranberry juice are polyphenols, which are antibacterial and anti-inflammatory. To prevent or treat UTIs, it is recommended to drink about 400 milliliter of at least 25% cranberry juice each day. 4. Wipe from front to back. The urethra, the small channel where urine exits the body, is typically contaminated when bacteria from the rectum gain access. In the urethra, bacteria move into other urinary tract organs and can lead to infections. After urinating, wipe your genitals to prevent bacterial contamination. Genitals and anus should be wiped separately with toilet paper. 5. Antibiotics. Bacteria causing bladder infections are killed by antibiotics. UTIs require medication to kill the germs that cause the infection. Treatment with antibiotics is recommended for UTIs. In case of UTI symptoms, see your doctor. Some symptoms of UTIs are similar to those of sexually transmitted infections, STIs, vaginal infections, and certain vaginal conditions. That's why getting the appropriate treatment is crucial. If you like this video, like and leave your comments. Share with your friends for more recipes and tips. Subscribe to this channel.